Moist.
Okay. It's gonna be a video intro right there.
Hey guys, I can't believe it's already been a month after I put a video up. Things have been crazy. I'm gonna touch base on a little bit of that today. I quit my job working on tractors, and I started another job where I was a service manager for a truck shop, semi-trucks, and decided that wasn't really what I wanted to do. It was a great job, but I didn't want to put in a ton of effort for a place I didn't want to be with long term. I'm at the point in my life where what I want to do now is what I want to do forever. So my dad had started a machine shop. Sorry, my head's back and forth. I'm watching for traffic. So my dad started a machine shop, engine shop. That's kind of what he did my whole life. He had his own business, and he built some of the best, racing engines as far as dirt stuff goes. Dirt track racing is kind of what he specialized in. Him and his partner basically got in a disagreement and they split. My dad basically left his half. So he started his own deal again. It's called Modca Racing Engines. Check them out on Facebook. That's where I'm at now. I try to do parts and social media and stuff. I still help around the shop do tear down and stuff like that. But so that's what I've been doing. We've also started an e-commerce website deal. We carry like a ton of parts. I'm trying to get set up with a whole bunch of drift vendors. The website, it kind of caters to all forms of racing, dirt, drag, drift, everything like that. So there's not really a site that, there is and there isn't. I guess dedicated racing site. You get dirt car shocks or coilovers or angle kit or whatever, helmets, seats. So we carry a whole bunch of stuff like that. I'll drop the link here, and if you want to check it out. Still in the works. I've been working on it for about a week getting it set up, and I still have a ton of parts and inventory that I need to put into it. But yeah, have a couple things around here that I want to do today. I got a guy that's another LS240 in town. Well, not in my town, but close to me. Got some stuff broke, so I'm gonna go take him some parts. The exhaust on the 240 hanger broke on the rear, so I'm gonna try to fix that today because it's been, all the weight of the exhaust is on the header. So I'm gonna fix that, and I'm gonna call Alex and see what he's doing, because his car has been here for a week or two because he ordered the wrong header. So we gotta fix that because he still hasn't drove it after the drift event. Well, he drove it here, open header, but he hasn't got to drive it much after the drift event. So I'm gonna call him, see if he got parts for that, and try to get that knocked out. I'm gonna start vlogging. I've been really bad this past month. I've not uploaded anything. It's just because just been so busy, and everything's not been worth recording. So I need to stop doing that. And I have 53 subscribers now, which is awesome. I want to thank everybody for liking and sharing. I know 53 is not a large number to a lot of people, but it means a lot to me. So thank you guys. Broken. I don't know if you can see the hanger there and here completely off. So that's one thing on the list today. And head to town and to connect the pedal to the clutch master. I gotta go drop that off. His broke. So that's what I'm gonna do now. It is windy. Anyway, I'm gonna go drop that piece off. Alex didn't answer his phone. He's a bitch. Not really, he's probably asleep. He works nights, so I'll give him that. But anyway, so I'm gonna go drop this off and then come back and get to work. Buddy fixed up, got his clutch working, so he's on the road. Now I'm headed back to the house, and I guess Alex got a header in, so we're gonna do a whole bunch of exhaust stuff today, and I may or may not make mine a little louder. I don't know. I've been driving this thing daily for like 3 weeks, and it's been awesome. It's the most fun car I have to drive, and coincidentally the best on fuel. So I want to talk a little bit about the website. I wanted to have a site sell parts to people across the board when it comes to racing. I'm going to try to build the drift part of that up as much as possible. We're really set on parts as far as everything else goes right now, the site's lacking in drift stuff, so I'm going to be working on that over the next few days, trying to get that taken care of. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Race engines and selling racing parts, drift parts, cool stuff. I just wanted a little more meaning in life, I guess. I didn't want to just be stuck somewhere working 9 to 5, going home, and I don't know. It's just I just can't do that. It's been a downfall of mine all my life. I've never just been able to settle for that. Some people can, and you know, more power to them, but I just can't. I just can't. I like to have purpose throughout my whole life. I'm not saying you can't by working a job. It's just the things I like and what I want out of life. It won't work that way. That never will work that way. So it's a big jump for me. There's a lot of risk. I don't know if there'll be a reward. I'd like to think that there would be. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. I don't know if I want to make this thing louder or not. It's so nice just to drive. I don't want it to be nice to drive. I want it to be rowdy. I want it to be my race car, damn it. So I need to get the truck out of here, and I think I'm gonna pull my car in and weld that up real quick. That way I can get started on everything else I need to do. After Alex gets here, I'm gonna let him work on his stuff and get Tim's truck engine ready to come out of it. Need to get working on those things. So it's been so crazy, I haven't had a chance to. So this is solid all the way up to my header, so there's no flex pipe or anything. So it's probably one of the reasons it broke, but you see how much lower it hangs. So I'm gonna get that fixed. Go ahead and get that set up and start doing that. So I started prying up on this thing, I think I'm just gonna take the guts out of this while it's dropped down, so I can get to it easier and see what it sounds like. Oh, what do I hear? Is that Alexa? I know he's gonna judge me. Alright, so I got the guts cut out of the muffler. So I'm going to fix the hanger and I'm going to add a piece to kind of wrap around it to keep it from doing it again. And yeah, then we'll start it up. As you can see, it's tucked up there a lot better. So let's see what it sounds like. Well, I was exhausted. Now it's Alex's turn to be exhausted.
Yeah, something like that.
Second-hand header. Better than the bent one, for sure. You can't see anything. You want me to go to the light?
Yeah, probably. That'd help.
There we go.
Like a glove.
Okay, bolted off. Wish exhaust part 2. Man, that's some quality shit right there. Look at that.
Man, just look at
Look
that.
at that.
You just rolled that perfectly.
Man, look at that. Look at that. I mean, how could you get it any worse than that?
Hey, you gotta give them 8-year-olds some credit.
Dude, I'll
though.
tell you what. I was not doing this well at 8 years old. I will say that. Oh my God, that looks like I welded it. I like how they're like, oh, it don't quite fit, so let's beat the shit out of it with a hammer and then we'll fill the rest of it. This one's gonna sound like shit, bet.
Damn.
So, we're gonna fix Alex's exhaust and then we're done because we're gonna be exhausted.
Majorly exhausted.
Too much exhaust in one day.
They are exhausted.
That's too
at the
many.
end of the
That's
day.
too many dad jokes in one place. I apologize. I'll quit now. Not too bad.
Not bad. I'm not gonna complain. I don't hear any exhaust leaks. Golden. Yeah, let's drive this thing again.
Woo! My battery's dead. We got Alex's car fixed and all wished back up. My 240 is a little louder and got our new 240 buddy back going again. So successful day. Still didn't get as much done as I wanted to. Tim's engine's about ready to come out, but just gonna get a lift plate and lift it the rest of the way out basically and take the carburetor off. But Alex is gonna drive it home. He hasn't drove it since the drift event. Well, he drove it over here, but I'm going home because we are exhausted from messing with exhaust. I'm gonna try to do this more often and not go a month in between videos. So Thanks for sharing, subscribing, and everything. I'm up to 53 subscribers, which I know is not a lot, but it's a lot for me. So I appreciate you guys. See ya.